Hello friends, I want to do a quick video on how to take the, this is a Kenmore self-cleaning stove. It has these tops on it, but a lot of the stoves have the same type of hinges. So how to remove the door and how to replace the door again. If you do it, if you know this way, it'll really make it real easy. And if you don't know this way, you can have a lot of trouble, and the book doesn't really show you. Here's the owner's manual, by the way. I'm going to show that real quickly because if you need to come back and stop and read these instructions again, this is how to remove the oven door and how to replace the oven door. That's out of the book. It's got this roller pin that you need to be aware of, and it's inside, and then this latch has the hook on the roller pin. So we cleaned the bottom of the pan around the elements. To do that, we took out both the grates, and we took out this, they call it a hidden tray or something like that. But it's got these little slots in it right here. And those slots hook into these slots in the back, right there. So, it's really not what I want to show. I want to show how to take the door off. So use a butter knife or a screwdriver and open the door all the way, and you pull these little tabs out. These are latches. Now when you pull that out, if you leave it up like that, the door will come out, but then it'll be terribly hard to put it back in. So lay that all the way down. Take this one out, like that. Lay it all the way down. Now you just stand the door up, like that. Let me get this camera setting up here. And you got those out. You just lift that off, and that's your latch. Now to put the door back on, if you got the latch and it looks like this, you're in good shape. Now if you didn't lay that all the way back and you had that turned up, this latch kind of locks in here with the spring, and then you got a problem. So let me show you. This is what you need to have to get it. And this is what you don't want to have. It will not go back together if it's like that. So if it's like that, you use a wrench or something that'll work to pry. And it's spring loaded. You put it on there. Now if you did it right to start with and you laid that all the way back, you won't even have to do that. So don't worry about it if you got it looking like this. Alright, then you just set them back in place like this. Set this in. I lay it all the way down like this, and flip this up in place, flip this up in place. That locks it in place so it won't come out later. And then you just close your door and you're finished. There it is. Okay, YouTube, like and subscribe if you will. And like I say, there are other styles of hinges that don't apply to this. Only use this if your hinges look like this. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Hope this helps.